Look over there, boys. What's going on, everybody? So, me and old Justina, we just got done playing around an old C10. And then I just waxed his ass in the old Camry here against his Maxima with a V5 in it. It's got a V6, but it's got a dead cylinder, so right now it's only a V5. So, yeah, waxed him pretty good, but what can you expect? But anyway, headed back to the house here now. I just got off the phone with Hot Wheels. He called me and said that some dude in a little Dodge Dakota with a 360 in it was wanting to race him right now. So he's gonna meet me at my house here in a few minutes. I think he said he needs to swap some tires or something out. And then we're gonna go run this little Dakota. Like I said, it's got a 360 in it. I don't know anything else about the motor. Said the guy's kind of secretive. So it's a Dodge Dakota with a 360 in it. That's pretty much all I can tell you. About to meet Hot Wheels back at the house, and then we're gonna go meet up with this guy in this Dakota and see what old Hot Wheels can do against him. For the people that ain't watched any of my other videos or any of the videos of Hot Wheels, his truck is like a 90 model Chevrolet, full size, short bed, step side. It's got a Carbed 5.3 in it with a little cam in it, and it's got 799 heads. I don't know the cam specs or anything like that. And it's got a turbo 350 transmission with 410 gears out back. And he's got a 200 shot of gas on it too. But pulling back up here at the house now. We'll wait on Hot Wheels to get here, and we'll go from there. Sounds like the man, the myth, the legend himself. Yeah. Got a cowboy hat on. Well, you a cowboy now?
I thought it'd be kind of cool, boy. Looks like the old Richard Petty hat, don't it?
Hell yeah.
I hope it brings me good luck tonight. I done got old boy Friday night by a car link and a half. But he give me the hit. This time he ain't gonna give me the hit. I don't know how much is left in the bottle.
What's supposed to be in the Dakota?
I don't know. I know it's
just a 360 is all you know, huh?
all I know, but I know it ain't stopped. I know the little Dakota's fast. He runs in the 6.0 class. You can't win them all. As much as I want to, you can't. When I got enough money in my pocket, I keep saving, I'm finna put that 871 Huffer on a fucking LS. Watch the pistons go boom.
Look over there, boys. Outlaw.
Hell yeah. We're ready to do some outlaw shit. Fuck it, everybody gonna know where I work at. I hate it. Fuck it.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that.
I ain't worried about it. I ain't got but one asshole wanting to whoop me, and he ain't big enough. He thinks he is, but he ain't the man. It ain't illegal to ride on these stickers, you know that, right?
Oh yeah.
They got 12 PSI in them right now. I sure as fuck ain't doing nothing stupid with them on this. You ain't taking no corner running 80 mile an hour with them bitches.
Oh no, you better slid around that motherfucker.
You'll suck it off the wheel. Ask me how I know the bedside busted. Running from the police I was. Somewhere where I shouldn't have been. I got $300 though. Hell yeah, I thought I'm like, yeah, I got him. Yeah. Whoop. Ah, I gotta go, motherfucker, I'm out. He didn't get me, but goddamn, I'm on the side of the road for it. I've heard that all week. Put 93 in there, don't know if that's gonna make a difference. I ain't never run with 93 before. I wish I had a little hook of race still. Yeah, get it! Yeah, I ain't a long time, man. You know what I mean? You got a rubber. You gotta let her know that we finna get dirty.
That's right.
I know him as Mr. Red Dakota. That's fine.
You ain't gonna tell us what's in there, huh?
That's a real street racer right
A
there.
V6.
Yeah.
Got a V6 in it.
In line.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of torque.
Hey, them things are run now.
I'm telling you. Turbochargers too. They're bad.
Oh, yeah.
But you want to run for some money?
We'll
I got
about
100.
that. We'll see.
Well, what you mean when we see? We wait until after we get through to find out?
Wait to see if he wins first.
Get my money this time.
Huh?
You gotta wait to see if he wins.
That's what I was talking about. We gotta wait to see the outcome before we go betting on it.
Armed up means a lot.
I know. I'm gonna be up there with you.
I know.
Getting the takeoff.
I know. It's gonna be a lot this time. Like a lot. It's gonna be like close. If not, you get me this time. Cause I know you've had Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and it's Tuesday. So you've been playing with it.
Nah, I didn't mess with it one time. I really did drive it one time, just make it test. That was the second pass that I got to make on the gas on it.
Hell yeah.
And so just to see how it went.
Cause I just put 40 in the tank.
Alright, I'll ring.
Huh? How we doing?
Going off an arm drop, I'm gonna do a burnout.
That's fine.
This time with water.
I mean,
Point at him first,
yeah.
point at you.
Yeah.
Well, look, up from there. Look, the whole thing progression is he's gonna pull us up to the line where we're gonna race from. And he's gonna say, all right, y'all get ready. And you go ahead and do what you gotta do. I'll do what I gotta do to get ready. And then when he hears us ready, he's gonna point, go.
Okay. I'm nodding my head when I'm ready.
All right.
Let's get this.
What is it?
He gonna run right out of our life.
You think so?
Yeah.
He spraying you?
Yeah.
So y'all both gonna spray?
Yeah.
And you think you about out, huh?
I got 4 passes on the bottle.
Well, that's the same bottle we ran old dude with the Mustang, huh?
No.
Oh, you done got another one?
I failed it.
You got a spool or is it welded?
I don't learn my lesson with that welded up shit. Ah! Where we going? No fucking way. I don't like that car up there. sketchy. There we go.
It's actually got a lot of room under it, don't it?
Shoot you.
That's a buddy of mine.
I said it's got a lot of room under the hood, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Too bad.
I tried to set it back further, but I couldn't get the headers on it.
That's me. I've set mine as far back as it can go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shift like this time. And really shift. I can't afford that bullshit. officially say he ain't quick enough.
You got enough for old Red. We're gonna make this truck into a damn legend.
I swear to God. Till I wreck this motherfucker. I already done it twice, though. I was a moron in Mobile. When the dry shaft comes out, man, there's nothing you can fucking do about it. Ain't no shit. I had to pay, I don't remember how much it was. They took it. I done payments with them motherfuckers for 6 months. When the dry shaft come out, it come out this side. I run over it, kicked it up, and it hit that motherfucker's front clip.
Damn.
Well, granted I whooped his ass, but granted he hired a lawyer. It was a brand new 2007 Silverado. You know how much that shit was in too? Right before me and you raced last time is when the dry shaft come out. Well, that motherfucker chased me down for 5 days. Come to my shop where I was working at over there in Mobile. Wanted to start his bullshit. I took a torque wrench and lit that motherfucker up.
Well, yeah.
Guess who went to jail? Yours truly. I spent 2 weeks in jail.
I popped the motherfucker upside the head with a 1/2 inch drive ratchet one time.
It don't feel good. He immediately changed his tune, did he not? This is a fucking Harbor Freight special I hit him with. He was not happy. That's one of my favorite fucking tunes. I tuned his ass up real quick. He's over there talking shit. Well, talking shit don't pay the bills. How's that Speedy tire over there in Mobile? He called me out. Well, granted, what am I supposed to do? You know what I mean? Man calls me out. I'm down to race because it's in my blood. I got to go. My dad always told me. He said, you're going to make your pass and he's going to make his pass. He said, you make your pass the best it's ever been. And I do.
Yeah, you can't worry about the other person. You gotta worry about yourself.
I was in my lane and he was in his lane, so I mean, I never touched him and he never touched me. That's all I ever worry about.
Alright, well, we back at the house now. Hot Wheels got his tires swapped out. He's headed home. I'm headed to town now myself. Yeah, pretty close race there. That's probably the closest race so far. They was both spraying. Hot Wheels spraying a 200 shot. I don't know how much to do with the Dakota was spraying. He didn't tell us nothing about the motor or anything like that. He didn't want to say, so you got to respect that. Some people don't want to tell you what they got, you know, that's just how it is. But yeah, I reckon we're gonna end this one off here. Y'all just let us know what y'all think about it, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Later.